Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are here in the Colotepec River in Oaxaca, close to Puerto Escondido, where the river meets the ocean. And it's the perfect place to rest and chill, but today we have to work. We got some products from Biofo. It is a dash cam, it's the A119M Pro. And we also got some other stuff like the hardware kit, okay, with all the wires. We got the wireless remote control, and we also got a micro SD card with an adapter. So let's start working. We're gonna open the box to see what we got inside. Okay. This is some wiring, one USB charger that maybe, well, I have this one here, but I can put it here and connect the camera. And then we also have a USB-C cable, and this thing looks like a lens or something like that, probably to protect the lens. So that's the camera. It can record in 4K, which is great. It has a USB-C port and also another port for the micro SD. So let's put the micro SD on the camera. Okay, let's put this thing. Looks like that's the way to put it. Okay, so now your lens is protected. You can move the camera depending on your windshield, so you can play a little bit with that. Okay, so now let's open the hardware kit. It is coming with some wires for the, if you want to connect, you can connect it to the charger here on the lighter, but you can also connect it directly to your fuse box. So you remove one of your fuses, you connect this one, and then you have two places for the one that you remove and the new one. Okay, this is one option. This is another option with a smaller fuse for a different fuse box. Okay, and you have few different options like for different types of fuses. Okay, now this thing look like a speaker or something like that, a microphone or something, so we will see now on the direction. This is a USB-C USB cable, probably to connect to the, from the lighter to the camera. So now this start to be fun. We have the different options for the positive wire, but I think I'm gonna use the USB-C cable, okay, and I'm gonna connect it here for now. We have another thing. I have Safari windows, okay, that you can open and close, and the camera usually goes on the windshield. So I'm gonna put it here for now, but the problem gonna be that if I open the windows, then I'm gonna have to move the lens, which is great to have this option. So I probably gonna put it here. I'm gonna download the app to have the app on my telephone. You have the iOS option or the Android option, so let's do it. Okay, we already download the app, so let's open it. I'm gonna install the camera down here. All right, that's gonna be the place for us to put the camera. So now we're gonna connect the power. Ta-da!
Recording started.
You have different options for resolution. Oop. Okay, you can move bit rate, loop recording, EV exposure, HDR, parking mode timer, and parking recording duration. You have few different options, but let's try.
Recording started.
Okay, we are recording, and then we're gonna see how it works on the app on the telephone. I want to see the videos. The resolution is 4K, 30 photograms per second. So now we're gonna connect the camera to the app. So it says turn the camera on. It is on. So push this Wi-Fi button.
Wi-Fi enabled. Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected. Local network. Data. Ta-da! All right. So now we have the image. Wow. It has a nice resolution. I think we're gonna be able to use it for our content. Now we're gonna stop recording and we have our videos here. Okay. If you want to save the video on your telephone, just do this. Downloading the video. And now I have the video on my telephone. So this is the resolution. It's pretty nice. You have all the information here, the data, the time that we need to set up. But yeah, as you can see, the resolution is nice. So now we have the camera installed on the car. And next step is to go around and do some videos driving, okay? could explain a bit better how to install the camera and the functionality and everything, but what is really important for me is the quality. I want a camera with a good quality, and I think this one is great. You can see perfectly the license plates of the cars, and the image is super nice. The colors and everything, you know. I think it's a good product. I also test the camera in a different light conditions. In the middle of the day, where the sun is pretty hard, it's working perfect. But I also try on the sunset with less light and with the sun in front of us, so in front of the camera. Usually if you don't have a nice camera, you don't get a nice video on those conditions, on sunset conditions. But with this one, I am impressed. The quality is still super good. Even when the road is bad and I have a lot of vibration on the car, the image is still super good. It's stable, clear, and with a good quality. And also you can have some fun and play with the videos and probably get some videos that you can use for content. I don't know. In general, I am super happy. I bought a couple of cameras before and I gave them back because the image was super bad, the quality was not good, but with this one, I am super happy. I want to say thank you to Viofo because you guys created a nice product with a nice quality. Spring is here and it's the perfect time to upgrade your road safety. Don't miss out on grabbing your Viofo dashcam with up to 37% off during the spring promotion. You can find all the links down below in the description. Go and check them out before they are gone.